Now that we have designed our navigation list, so you see we have title, a beautiful navigation list, so we need to design the articles. But first we need to remove this article, so we are going to change this article, so we are going to put more articles. So in order to do that, you can go to this HTML ipsum. So here you can find some articles, so lorem ipsum, so you can take long paragraphs, you can take medium paragraphs, lists, so whatever you need for your website. But now I'm not gonna copy from that website, so I have my own articles in here, so I will remove this article, so I will post all of these articles in here. So I have post an ht2, so you see h2, h3, so I have some paragraphs in here. So now let's refresh, and you see now we have more paragraphs, we have more articles. So we're going to design step by step. So we're going to design this h2 and then the h3 paragraphs. So, and then we have also, you see, so we have the footer in here, and we have also get back to the main page, so we have a little link in here. So now that we have the title, so let's go, you see all the articles are so in this div id container 2. So now we are going to design this div id container 2. So we have separated our page at the beginning, so now we need to write, so you see the id is container 2, so we need to write container 2, and then we open the curly brackets. So what we are going to do here, it's we are going to put a padding, so a padding must be around 0 from the left, so 25 pixels from the right, so 0 from the bottom, and 100 pixels from the top. So we put like this. So now we're going to put this big page, so that we have took from the website. So in order to do that, we can just go and type background. So we are going to type background, then we put like URL, and then the name of the picture. So the name it's pg_page.gif. So we are not going to repeat it, so we're going to put like no repeat, and then we're going to give some padding like 15 pixels from the right and 15 pixels from the bottom. So now let's just do a refresh and see if everything's worked perfectly. So padding must have 2 points in here. So let's go and see if everything is okay now. Yes, URL. So let's go and refresh, and you see we have now this color design at the left side, so with this background that we have put in here. So what we need to do next is we need to design these articles. So you see it doesn't look nice, so title articles, so we're going to change. So in order to do that, we need to type the ID, so the name of the ID, and then we are going to type like h2. So we are going to type div hashtag container2, and then we have to specify what we are going to design. So we're going to design the h2. So we open the curly brackets, and in order to do that, so in order to design, so we are going first to give a padding. So the padding, we're going to give a padding from the left side around 25 pixels, and then we're going to give a line height. So a line height must be so probably around 25 pixels. It is better. So let's check. So the title has changed. You see it has changed 25 pixels from the left. Now, so we're going to give a font size. So the font size must be 1.4 em. So this is a nice size for articles. So you see the article, the size has changed. And then, so now we are going, so you see we have this little apple in here. So we're going to put this little apple just at the left of our articles. So we type background like always, so or URL, then we write little underline apple dot gif. So yeah, this is the type of our little app in here. So we're going no, or we're going no repeat. So we type no repeat. So and then we're going to give left, so we're going to put it to the left bottom. So background little apple, no repeat, left bottom. So we're going to give a nice color. Oops. So we're going to give a color to our titles. So we put hashtag and then we write 9b2. This is a nice color that we're going to give. So then we're going to put a border from the bottom. So in order to do that, we just type border bottom 1 pixels solid, and we're going to give the same color 9b2. So let's go and check if something has been changed. So you see now it looks better. We have the little apple at the left and it looks better. So in the next lecture we're going to design these other paragraphs.